Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I turned an old closet mirror into a goddess mirror. So I got all of these crafts from the dollar store, and the first thing I'm going to do is take the popsicle sticks and spray paint them silver. Next I'm just cutting the lace in half because it was too thick for what I was going for. I'm cutting the popsicle sticks into 3 pieces. They don't all have to be even because you will not see them at all. They're just used for a back. Now with my scissors and my hot glue gun, I'm going to attach this beading to my popsicle stick. So I'm just gonna put a dot on each square just so it glues the right way, and just because I don't want the glue to be sticking out in between the squares because that will look really tacky. And as you can see, I formed my first stick. I'm going to continue to do this to all of my sticks. I used about 5 packs of this embellishment for the mirror, but my mirror is really huge, so I had to use more than normal. Okay, now that my sticks are done, I'm going to cut them just because I want them to be all different shapes because I feel like it will make it look prettier. So some of them I'm cutting in thirds and some of them I'm cutting in half. Now to my mirrors. I love this mirror, it's so cute. We're gonna actually fold it. I found it easier folding it in half and then cutting it versus just trying to cut it the regular way. So I'm just basically cutting across, and then for my last 3 I'm actually going to cut those in singles just to differentiate a little bit. Now that I'm done cutting out my mirror pieces, I'm going to attach them to the popsicle sticks. So for my bigger mirror pieces, I'm just breaking the popsicle stick in half and then cutting off the excess popsicle stick. As you can see, what I do is take the back peel off and I lay it on the flat surface, and then I put the popsicle on top. Now for the smaller popsicle, I'm just going to break it into a third like we did the other. As you can see, it fits perfectly and you can't even tell there's a popsicle stick behind it. And we're gonna do like we did with the other stick and cut the excess off. Now for the decorating. I'm basically just lining them up. Honestly, I'm not gonna put them on the way I lined them up. I just lined them up to be more organized so I can just grab them as I go. And guys, I actually tried to do the E6000 glue first and it just kept falling off. So what I did was just went ahead and glued them on with the hot glue gun, and then later on I went with the E6000 glue and just put the glue in between the sticks as I went. As you can see, I am leaving spaces in between because later on I'm just going to come back and add more of the pieces in between. And all I'm doing is putting the hot glue on the mirror and then putting it on the frame of the mirror. And also, there's no right way to put these on. I just go as I feel. And guys, I totally forgot to mention the smaller silver sticks that I spray painted earlier. But I'm going to use those as space fillers for spaces that are too small to put the popsicle sticks in. So now, as you can see, I'm just filling in the gaps, and I'm going to go around the whole mirror besides the top and the bottom and do the same thing. Reinforcement, I turned the mirror around and I added these popsicle sticks to the back. And guys, I cannot tell you how proud I am of this mirror, my goddess mirror. It is so beautiful. It turned out exactly how I envisioned it.